Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. Yesterday was a very important trading session. It was very representative, actually. And the most important thing is hidden in details. So yes, we all do know about the tariffs that Donald Trump has announced in the weekend, and even if I don't miss something, maybe even on Friday, the tariffs against Mexico and Canada. China as well. Recently it was also announced tariffs against the euro, European Union. So, but what has happened next? It's actually more important. In fact, some analysis or even some rumors on the market tell that Donald Trump was shown the limits of his ability to put tariffs on our neighbors. Those of you who track the situation probably know about the preparing of the unrest in California as soon as tariffs on Mexico has been imposed. Bitcoin also has collapsed immediately once these tariffs have been imposed as well. This is because the shadow market very actively used cryptocurrencies for its purposes. And immediately after the preparation of the unrests in California, the negotiations of the United States representatives, I don't remember whether Donald Trump personally was speaking with the president of Mexico or not himself, but this doesn't matter. Immediately, negotiations have started. So this fact shows that Donald Trump was shown the limits of his ability of these tariff tools, and what he could do and what he can't do. And once negotiations have happened, everything returns on right back. So tariffs have been postponed, Bitcoin has jumped, unrests have been eliminated, so actually has disappeared. Everything goes back to an order. It means that they have agreed on something. And that is most important thing, actually. This is not because of the, actually Mexico has betrayed and actually stepped back and in fact have taken the conditions of the United States. Absolutely not. Because there's really big interest currently of different cartels in Mexico that's massively using the cryptocurrency and so on. This can't be touched by the tariffs, and the tariffs have been taken off. So as a result, you can see really big back action across the board. On the euro currency, we see it as well. This confirmation is just because you could see the same reaction in all other markets. Not only on Mexico peso or Canada dollar, you could see also on the euro currency, but these tariffs and these negotiations was not about euro. You can see the same reversal. So what we're going to do currently on the euro currency, I would say that the current behavior, it is some kind of the, well, let's call it as a chance to try to take position, early position with a possible double repo pattern on the weekly chart. If you remember, on the euro currency, we're watching for this double repo. And actually, if market will close somewhere around this area, we will get the second close above the 3x3. And by this close, the double repo will be confirmed. So we will start searching channels to deal with this pattern. But this is the early stage, and if you're ready to take this risk a bit earlier, for possible position taking, you also could consider some longs with this performance. This market behavior stop will be somewhere below the lows. Maybe you will find some other places for stop placing. on the lower time frames. Those of you who are not ready and who prefer to go step by step with the confirmation of the double repo currently should do nothing. They should wait when the double repo will be either confirmed or not confirmed. So this is only for those who are ready to take this risk, some kind of the wild card for a possible position taking. So on a 4-hour time frame chart, I do not see something really special. The only thing that might be important is that take a look how the gap has been closed. So here's was big gap on the opening, moving higher, and gap has been closed just with a very small overlapping. So it's just for a few pips probably. So market hasn't just keep going higher immediately after that. Just close the gap and turn down. This makes me think that probably we could get compounding retracement here. I'm not definitely sure, but this type of behavior tells me that probably we could get some kind of the ABC patch, something like we see on the hourly chart. So it might be kind of a bit deeper retracement down, some kind of the gut list triple 2 or something of this kind. But this is a tactical suggestion. It doesn't make actually big impact on the overall strategies that we are discussing. Just some specification of the possible levels that we could consider. What actually risks we have? The major risk here stands mostly on the dollar index. If you take a look what we've got on the dollar index, this grabber starts working, but with this recent spike, market hasn't taken out of this top yet. So it means that the target of this grabber, and actually this week we could get another one, if market will close somewhere above the MA right? So even at this point, we also have the grabber. This is marking, this grabber. And this grabber also will suggest taking out of this top. So it means that the risks of the possible another attempt to go higher still exist. Correspondingly, on the euro currency, it means that we still could get another attempt to go lower. That's the actually major risk that stands right now, because events shows really very fast progress, everything changing day by day. And all this mess with the tariffs has just started. We do not know what the China will be, what the negotiations will be, what the negotiations with the Canada will be about the tariffs, then the European Union on the table once again. So this is really big bulk of information that could make impact on the markets. Besides, we should not forget that this week we also get payrolls and so on. So that's why these risks exist. Correspondingly, as a bottom line. So if you're not ready and you think that it would be better to wait and you do not want to take this risk, your option will be just wait. Do not hurry up the decision. Maybe we will get even better opportunity for position taking. If you still would like to trying to take position in an early stage, trying to anticipate the double repo, although it is not recommended, you could probably trying to act in lower time frames on the hourly chart here. Maybe they're waiting for some clear bullish pattern here, might be the not bad option. So for instance, if we will get Gartner's triple 2, it will be a bit more comfortable for early position taking rather than just jumping in somewhere right here. This is just some thoughts on the current situation. But in general, the major question currently is whether we will get the double repo or not, and it will be very interesting to see how what will happen with the grabbers that we have on the dollar index. That's two major questions. That's all that we have currently to discuss on the euro currency. So let's keep watching and see. In 2 words, personally, I would prefer to watch for a bit deeper retracement here for position taking, if I would consider taking the anticipating of the double repo patch. So that's all for today. Take care.